Talk to me.
I am tired. Officially.
We just ate a nice full meal.
Yep. Yep, nice good.
How do you feel?
I feel tired. Ready to go home, chill.
Yay! Bus time! I love bus time. So much fun. Maybe I should put my seatbelt on. So there's my local Harbor Freight we're passing right now, and we're approaching Lowe's. Hello, Lowe's. Welcome, welcome. Here we are. So we're going to go into there and check out what they got. So the goal for today is to show you those two other techniques on how to get the bus walls out. Plus, we want to get the heater out. And more than likely, the walls and the bus heater situation is probably going to be a couple of day process. So don't be frightened about that. If you have a few more videos with us and bus walls. So let's go inside. I have a feeling this is going to be a problem. What I'm looking for. Okay, so I think I'm in the right area as far as what I want for the bus heater, like closing it off. I think I need these guys. Whoa, that's a lot of them. See, I only want. I lied. It's this size. This size is the size I'm looking for, I'm pretty sure. I don't see anything bigger. Masks might be good too. Okay, so Lowe's was kind of intimidating. I didn't know what I was getting. I got a bunch of stuff, which I'll show you guys back at the bus.
I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall.
Okay, so we're back at it and going to get to angle grinding the bus here, the bus walls. So I got done at Lowe's. I'm here back at the bus now. I'm pretty sure the husband's gonna be here soon. So I'm gonna take my glasses off. Got my safety goggles that are already starting to fog up. I went and got a mask this time. Thank the Lord. Whew. So we're gonna put this bad baby on. Ooh. What are you supposed to do with the bottom part right there? Pretty sure they're both supposed to go on. If anybody has any suggestions on how to not have your glasses fog up, please let me know. There we go. Much better. All right. Oh my gosh, I feel better already. The insulation in this bus, the old insulation plus all the metal dust that goes flying, it's crazy. All right, let's get to work. Okay. So, let me show you what I did. Ow. Look what the mask did. I might have it upside down. Okay, so I just got done angle grinding some of the screws or whatever, the rivets, and that's what that looks like. I'm not sure yet if I like this or not, so I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, so I pretty much decided that I don't like using the angle grinder on the wall. Like to angle grind all those bad babies off. It's really hard. So I'm waiting for the husband to bring the air tool. And we're gonna do that because I think that's for the best. And I think he just arrived. So we'll see.